In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a connection on LinkedIn. This might be something you need to do for a variety of reasons, be it managing your professional network or just cleaning up your contacts for a fresh start. Whatever the case may be, I'll guide you step by step through this easy process. We'll begin by navigating to LinkedIn. Fire up your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Make sure you're on the main LinkedIn website. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You can do this by signing in with Google or Microsoft. Alternatively, you can use your email address along with your password. If you're someone who prioritizes security and has two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. They usually do this by sending a code to your phone, so just keep your device handy to complete this verification step. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Here there's a navigation bar at the top, and what you'll need to do next is click on the My Network icon. This icon is typically located near the center of the navigation bar, and it's where you can manage and view all your connections among other things. Once you've clicked on My Network, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to click on Connections. This section is your complete connections list, displaying everyone you're linked with on LinkedIn. Now, for the person you wish to remove, you need to locate them within this list of connections. This might mean using the search function if you have an extensive network. After finding the person, hover over their name or profile. You'll see a More icon appear, which is three little dots usually located next to their name. Go ahead and click on this icon. Upon clicking, a drop down menu will appear, offering several options. Among these options, you'll see Remove Connection. Select this option, and LinkedIn will prompt you with a pop-up window to confirm your decision. It's a good idea to double check that you've chosen the correct person before proceeding. Finally, to complete the process, click Remove in the confirmation pop-up. And that's it. You have successfully removed a connection on LinkedIn. This person will no longer be part of your network, and they won't receive any notification about the action you've taken. It's a straightforward process, but an effective one when it comes to maintaining your professional relationships in a way that's best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more helpful LinkedIn tips.